Pilipinas, if you need change in the upper house, the Senate President, we select Marcoleta for Senate President. We don't need an old Senate President. It's a double standard. We elect Marcoleta is the best and a bright and with integrity. Marcoleta, ang puso ng mga tao looking for a new Senate President who are not double standard, who focus for the welfare of all Filipino. Marcoleta for Senate President. Alam niyo yan lahat mga tao, Marcoleta. Yan ang future ng bansa natin. Kailangan natin yan, Marcoleta. I'm not vote for Marcoleta or whatever politics, but I see him as an integrity and honest and good heart for the people. Marcoleta. Boto natin yan. Senado!